researched how to buy shares of Dyno Nobel Ltd, a company that provides industrial explosives and blasting services for mining and construction. It trades on CBOE AUS under the ticker DNL.ASX, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and then add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker DNL.ASX to locate the correct listing. Confirm the listing name and ticker match Dyno Nobel Ltd before moving forward. On the asset page, review the company's summary and the price chart to understand recent market movement. Double-check the company name and ticker DNL.ASX to confirm this is the right stock. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before you can confirm. After your purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. A soft link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow these steps on that platform.